Are you looking for a way to make an extra $100 a day from the comfort of your home in 2025? Well, you're in the right place. Thanks to the power of AI, there are so many online side hustles that can help you earn cash without needing any special skills or a huge time commitment. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for new ways to increase your income, I've got you covered. In today's video, we'll talk about the best online side hustles for 2025 that you can start right now using AI tools. These side hustles are not only easy to start, but they can help you make $100 or more a day with just a bit of effort. So, grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's dive in. 10. AI content writing using Jasper AI. Starting off at number 10 is AI content writing, and the tool we're going to focus on is Jasper AI, formerly known as Jarvis. Content writing has always been a popular side hustle, but now with AI tools like Jasper, you can create high-quality articles, blog posts, and marketing copy faster than ever. Here's how it works. Jasper AI uses advanced natural language processing to generate well-structured text based on the topics you provide. Whether you're writing for a blog, social media, or even creating product descriptions for e-commerce stores, Jasper can produce engaging content in minutes. You can easily find clients who need content on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or even pitch local businesses to write for them. By charging $10 to $20 per article and writing just 5 articles a day, you can easily make $100 daily. Jasper AI does the hard work, so you can focus on growing your business. 9. Transcription services using Otter.ai. Coming in at number 9 is transcription services, and the tool we're going to talk about is Otter.ai. Transcription involves converting audio or video recordings into written text, and it's a service that's in demand. With the help of AI tools like Otter, you can speed up the transcription process and get paid for it. Otter.ai's AI is highly accurate in transcribing audio, and all you need to do is proofread the transcription and make minor corrections if necessary. This is a great option for side hustlers who enjoy listening to podcasts, interviews, or videos and transcribing them for a fee. Websites like Rev and TranscribeMe offer transcription jobs where you can get paid per minute of audio, which means you can earn $100 a day just by working a few hours and listening to content. Otter's AI helps streamline the process, so you don't have to start from scratch. 8. Social media management using SocialBee. At number 8, we have social media management, and the AI tool that will make it easier than ever is SocialBee. Social media management is an essential service for businesses that want to grow their presence online. But many small business owners don't have the time to post content consistently. This is where you come in. Using SocialBee, you can schedule posts, generate engaging captions, and even get AI-generated content ideas. The AI in SocialBee analyzes trends, performs keyword research, and creates personalized content to help businesses increase engagement across social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. By managing social media accounts for a few clients, you could easily make $100 per day by charging $300 to $500 per month for each account you handle. It's a great way to leverage AI to streamline the social media process and boost your income. 7. Print on demand using Printful and Canva. Number 7 on our list is print on demand, and the tools we'll focus on are Printful and Canva. Print on demand is an easy and low-risk way to start an online store, and AI tools make the process even simpler. With Printful, you can create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and more. Once you upload your designs, Printful takes care of printing, packing, and shipping directly to your customers. All you need to do is create the designs, which is where Canva comes in. You can use Canva's simple drag-and-drop interface to design shirts, hats, and other products without needing any graphic design skills. Set up your store on platforms like Etsy or Shopify, and with consistent effort and great designs, you can easily make $100 per day by selling your products. If you can promote your store on social media or through paid ads, you'll grow your income even faster. 6. YouTube video editing using InVideo. At number 6, we have YouTube video editing, and the AI tool of choice here is InVideo. YouTube is still one of the best ways to make money online, but creating videos can take a lot of time, especially if you're just getting started. This is where InVideo comes in. InVideo uses AI to assist in video editing by offering automated features like text-to-speech, scene transitions, and even video summarization. The platform also comes with customizable templates, making it super easy to create professional videos in just a few minutes. If you're someone who enjoys editing videos or has a YouTube channel, you can offer your services as a freelance video editor using InVideo. Charge around $50 to $100 per video, and by editing just 1 to 2 videos a day, you can make $100 a day. InVideo speeds up the process so you can handle multiple clients and projects with ease. 5. Affiliate marketing, using AI-generated content. At number 5 is affiliate marketing, and AI can make it so much easier. With AI tools like Jasper AI, you can create engaging product reviews, landing pages, and social media posts that promote affiliate products. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services through your unique affiliate link, and you earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase. With AI-generated content, you can create blog posts, email newsletters, or YouTube videos that contain affiliate links. To make $100 per day, you need to target high-commission affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale, and promote products that you genuinely believe in. With just a bit of content creation, an affiliate strategy, and consistent effort, you can earn a steady stream of income from affiliate marketing. 4. Virtual assistants, using AI scheduling tools. Coming in at number 4 is virtual assistants, which has become one of the most popular online side hustles. Virtual assistants, VAs, help business owners with administrative tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling customer inquiries, and more. AI scheduling tools like Calendly and Doodle can automate the appointment setting process, and AI-based task managers like Trello or Asana can help you organize and prioritize your tasks. By offering virtual assistant services to entrepreneurs or small businesses, you can easily earn $100 a day by managing a few clients' daily operations. You can charge anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour, depending on the services you offer. 3. Data entry using Google Sheets and AI tools. Number 3 on the list is data entry, a side hustle that requires no skills but can earn you steady money with the help of AI tools. With Google Sheets and AI-powered automation tools like Zapier, you can help businesses with tasks like inputting customer data, updating spreadsheets, and organizing information. Data entry jobs are available on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, and you can charge $10 to $20 per hour for this type of work. While it may seem simple, using AI tools to automate tasks can help you finish more work in less time, allowing you to easily hit $100 per day. 2. Online tutoring, using AI-powered educational tools. At number 2, we have online tutoring, a great side hustle for anyone with expertise in a specific subject. With AI-powered tools like Khan Academy or Quizlet, you can enhance your tutoring experience by providing your students with personalized learning plans, quizzes, and study materials. Platforms like Chegg or Tutor.com allow you to connect with students who need help with their studies. If you charge $20 to $30 per hour and tutor just 3 to 5 students a day, you'll easily make $100 a day. You can use AI tools to help you provide effective tutoring without needing to create all the materials from scratch. 1. Content creation, using AI video and audio tools. And at number 1, we have content creation, which is one of the most lucrative and flexible side hustles you can start in 2025. With the help of AI tools like Descript, you can generate high-quality video and audio content without needing expensive equipment or editing skills. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, podcasts, or TikToks, Descript's AI-powered editing tools can speed up the production process. Plus, platforms like YouTube and TikTok offer monetization options, and once you build a following, you can easily start making $100 a day. And that's it for today's list of best online side hustles for 2025 that can help you make $100 a day using AI tools. These side hustles are easy to start, require little to no experience, and are a fantastic way to earn money from home. Which side hustle are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.